channel. Today I'm gonna share with you my own version of Hokkien Mee. So let's start making. So first of all, I have this Hokkien Mee. This is 1 kilo, and I have to boil this because I don't want it to be too hard. Yeah. So I have this boiling water. Make sure that you have enough boiling water. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in this one. Until it becomes soft as your preferred texture, yeah? Okay, so look at this, guys. This is what I want. Look at that. This one is already soft, but it's still a bit chewy. So this is the consistency that I want, yeah? So what we do now is to drain this and wash away all the extra starch, yeah? Now I need some oil. I have at least 10 prawns, yeah? But you can pour as much as you can. So first of all, I have to fry this one first. Now we take this one off. So now I have this garlic, yeah, inside. Okay, I have this 200 grams of breast chicken. I slice it very thin, yeah, the size, and I coat this with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Yeah, and now I will put this one in. And I have this fish cake. I slice the size, yeah. Put inside. So now we're gonna fry this for a while until our meat is cooked. This 300 grams of cabbage, and I sliced this size, yeah. So we're gonna put this one in. I have to season this with fish sauce, and I'm using this brand, yeah, for the fish sauce because this one is not too salty. The flavor is just nice, yeah. And I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and I drizzle with pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar to enhance the flavor, yeah. So what we do now is I have this boiled noodles. I have to put this one in. Make sure that there's no water in it, yeah. And I have this dark sauce to color my noodles. But this now what we do is to mix all this. And actually, guys, this Hokkien Mee is our lunch today. This proportion is good for 6 person, yeah. So it's really budget meal, yeah. This is almost ready. So what we do now is the prawn that we fried earlier, we have to put it back inside and mix them. So now actually now it's ready. So I'm gonna serve this for lunch. So this is it, guys. This is the final result of my Hokkien Mee. Look at that. So thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to like and share and also subscribe for more upcoming recipes. Bye guys!